My name is Derek Khan. My partner is Dan R. And I'll be applying for a position at Chevron as a cashier position. The first question reads, tell me about a time you had to handle someone who was angry. What was the situation and how did you resolve it? So at my previous experience, when handling someone who was angry, I remained calm and listened without interrupting, and I apologized for the frustration. And then I quickly authorized their problem and ensured it started working, and then thanking them for their patience. And then the person left satisfied because I stayed calm and their problem got fixed. So the next question is, if you're working late alone and the computer system crashes, what steps would you take? The steps I would take is that first, I would remain calm to keep any waiting customers at ease, and then I would apologize to them and explain that the system is temporarily down. Next, I would try to get a quick system review. If that didn't work, I would call the manager or support for guidance. The next question is explaining more about my certifications and what principles I learned from obtaining that. So regarding my certification, I am Excel certified and small business certified. So I know how a small business or a small company runs, where I took this test for it. So to get that certification, I had to take a test that asked me questions about how running a business. So as a cashier, knowing that knowledge of Excel with all the spreadsheet and getting all the data will help me better understand all the technical stuff that goes on behind spreadsheets and the data analysis side. And then the next question is, can you walk me through the step-by-step process to ensure the item is in top shape? For store items, the process is first inspecting the leaks or broken seals, or if it looks broken, then check the expiration date to ensure its freshness, and then rotate the stock using a FIFO method, and clean and face the item on the shelf so the label points and looks appealing to the customer. So that would be the process to ensure an item is in top shape. If an item is damaged or not be able to be sold, I will replace them. The next question is, how do you prioritize your tasks when you have a balance all the workload? And my top priority is always the customer standing in front of me or in the store. Once the line is clear, I will prioritize the cleanliness tasks like clearing spills or restocking the racks. So the first priority is the customer and then everything else. If sales revenue drops, what areas of operation would I investigate first to find the cause? As a cashier, I will first look at foot traffic and the amount of transaction that people have. And with my Excel certified knowledge, I can reduce if people are buying less per visit or there's less people in the store in general. And I would see if which items are not being sold and try to pump promotion or advertise people to go in the store more. And why do you want to work here? Chevron is a household name for good, reliable gas station, and I want to work for a company that values good customer loyalty through its widely use in the United States. And since I use Chevron Station myself, I want to get the knowledge and want to bring a good vibe towards the team at Chevron. And the next question is, what type of work environment allows you to perform at your absolute best? I'm sure that I thrive in a fast-paced, structured environment where there's teamwork, so there's organization. I like having a clear expectation and task, and I like clean and organized place where everyone communicates well and helps me, and that is what helps me perform at my best. Thank you so much for this interview.